on then. There we go. All right, good. One brand, four bags, but which one is right for you? Today, we are putting North Face's most popular backpacks to the test and one beast of a travel bag. Whether you're a student, commuter, weekender, or frequent flyer, North Face probably has a bag with your name on it. But not all of them are created the same. In this video, we are going to compare the Recon, Volt, Borealis, and Basecamp Rolling Thunder to help you pick which one is right for your carry style. Founded in San Francisco in 1966, the North Face began as a small mountaineering retail shop and grew into a global leader of high-performance outdoor apparel and gear, driven by the mantra, never stop exploring. Today, it's a VF Corporation brand renowned for its technical innovation, deeply rooted in adventure culture, and aimed at empowering explorers worldwide. So, let's start with the everyday all-rounders, the Volt and the Recon. The Volt backpack is a clean and no-fuss design. I think it looks really nice. Here are the measurements. It has a comfortable flexi-vent suspension system, so lots of comfort, lots of great support. The internal organisation is quite simple in this bag, so great for students or light commuters. The Volt is kind of your just grab and go bag. Light, affordable, no frills. It's not going to win any awards for innovation, but it is comfortable and it gets the job done. The Recon backpack. Here are the measurements. The Recon has more structure and more padding to it. Very squishy, very comfortable. You also get a dedicated laptop sleeve, extra front organisation, and a hydration port. There's also a sternum strap and a hip belt. So the Recon sort of feels like the Volt's older, more responsible sibling. It's better built for tech-heavy days or anyone who needs a little bit more structure or support. If you're hauling more than just a notebook and snacks, this is your pick. Now, if you want something that blends the outdoors with the office or campus, then the Borealis is your all-terrain option. Here are the measurements. You get this external bungee cord system, so great for stowing a jacket, a nicely padded back, and you've got the sternum strap as well as the harness, so extra support when you need it. And there are multiple access points on this bag. There's quick access pockets, water bottle pockets, laptop pockets, lots of handles. What makes the Borealis different is how adaptable it is. It's the bag that you can take to uni on Friday and then out on the trail on a Sunday morning. It's more rugged than the Volt and more flexible than the Recon. It also looks a little bit more adventurous, and that's sort of sometimes a vibe in itself. But they're all great bags. They all have water bottle pockets and comfortable harness systems, and they're made sustainably. Okay, switching gears now. If you're flying, road tripping, or checking into hotels, then meet the Rolling Thunder. It does have this bomb-proof Basecamp fabric, which everybody loves. You get oversized wheels, telescopic handle, there's daisy chains for attaching all sorts of different accessories, top and bottom and side grab handles, separate compartments on the inside, and abrasion-resistant panels. This thing is built to take a beating and keep rolling. Look, it's not light, but it's tough. And for longer hauls or rough terrain, it's one of the few wheel bags that doesn't flinch. So if you're traveling heavy or you don't want something that you're gonna have to baby at the luggage carousel, then this is your answer. So which one is right for you? Well, the Volt is perfect for students, minimalists, or anyone that is budget-minded. The Recon, on the other hand, an excellent daily commuter backpack. So great for anyone that's heading into the office, if you've got a lot of tech, or if you are going on a slightly longer trip, need to carry a few extra things. The Borealis, perfect weekend adventure bag. It's got this hybrid lifestyle system going on, so you can do the office, you can do uni, you can do the gym, then you can hit the trails. And then the Rolling Thunder, well, that's for frequent flyers, people who like the terrain to be rough and need maximum capacity. So before choosing which bag you need to go with, think about how you move through your week and what your bag actually needs to do. That'll help you make the right decision. All four of these bags are solid picks. North Face is excellent. They're an excellent brand doing excellent things, but your lifestyle will tell you which one is the best fit. We've linked them all below so you can check them out further. Got any questions about these bags? Drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you. And if you've used one, let us know which one you've picked and what you love or what you don't like about it. Hit like if this helped and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I'm Roland from Rushfaster. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.